Hey, what's up guys, Jeremy here. It's time to start module 4 of this RoboDK professional training. In the last module, we've learned how to create basic pick-and-place applications using the attach and detach features. In this module, we will go a little further and add new features to improve the general look of your simulation. We will use, for example, hide and show to create basic animations, pause to pause the process of your robot. We will add start thread to have multiple actions taking place at the same time in your station. We will change color of some objects, and we will even add some conveyors to our simulation. Let's get started. So here we have the final result we are aiming for in this module. A simple station with a conveyor bringing in bottles, a conveyor out bringing out the bottles, a robot picking the bottle on one conveyor and then bringing it in front of a camera here for some inspection process, a gripper to pick the bottle, and a light to show the process state of inspection. Let's take a look at this station in action. So I'm going to start here the main program by double clicking on it. The robot comes down here, pick a bottle, moves up. Then as soon as it's out of the way, the conveyor brings a new bottle in. The robot brings the bottle in front of the scanner and then moves it out on the out conveyor here. So just like that. So we pick a bottle, we bring it in front of the scanner, we take a pause for a few seconds, 1 or 2, I can't remember exactly what I programmed, and then we place that bottle on the out conveyor. As you can see, the out conveyor is moving in an increment, just leaving enough space for another bottle to take the place of the one we just pushed. Here you can also see that we have a light showing the state of the inspection process. It's not showing the result of the inspection process though. It's just showing that a red light when the inspection is taking place and a green light, when the inspection process is done. And then in between, when there's nothing happening, the light turns off and goes back to its kind of gray state. So I will show you how to do that during the module. So those are all stuff we will be covering. So conveyors, how to do either continuous motion or step-by-step motions. We will learn how to do a pause for the scanning process. We will learn how to change the color of the light according to where we are at in the program. And the last thing that I didn't show you, we even have a small animation here with the gripper, where the gripper goes from a closed state to an open state to mimic the opening and closing of the gripper. So those will all be videos part of this module. For the first and next video, we will start with an empty station where we have, in fact, not an empty station, a station where everything is placed in terms of objects and all the targets are positioned, but where we just have the programs without the motions in it. So we'll have to create all the motions for this pick and place application to take place. We'll learn how to use to our advantage the infinite loop that can be a program, so that we can just create one instance of that pick, one instance of that scan, one instance of that place, and then just run the same simulation over and over again to simulate the scan or the inspection of all the bottles. So that being said, I hope you will follow along. I do believe that all of those tricks will really help you improve the general look and realisticness of your simulation. So if you tag along, you will gain a lot of knowledge, I can assure you. That being said, have a great day, guys.